I want to be a millionaire. I want to be a millionaire. Doesn't this sound familiar? When you were a teenager, your all-time dream was to become a millionaire. I don't know how I'm going to make it. I don't know how I'm going to get there, but I want to be a millionaire. Okay, so what are you going to do with your life? Maybe I can be a lawyer. Maybe that will get me a step into becoming a millionaire. Maybe I can be a businessman. Maybe that will get me a step closer to being a millionaire. I want to be a millionaire. We all have that dream because we think that, becoming a millionaire will solve most of our problems. But then, a question came to mind. What is a millionaire? What is a millionaire? We all want to be millionaires, but what is a millionaire? And this thing came to mind that a millionaire is a person who's able to regulate $1 million, whether every 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. So are you able to regulate $1 million within a year? Or are you saying that you're a millionaire because you have $1 million rands in your account? Are you saying that you are a millionaire because you have a house that is worth 1.2 million? Because for me, that is quite tricky. If you have a house that is 1.2 million, that doesn't mean that you're a millionaire. That means to me that the possibility of you being in debt or owing a bond for that house is high. And as you look at the repo rates today and inflation and so forth, a lot of people are really complaining about how much the bond is so expensive now. So they're paying more than what they agreed on in the beginning. For instance, in the beginning, you agreed that you will pay 10,000 rands for your bond. But after a couple of months or even a year, or even a year and a half, now you are paying 12 or 13,000 rands because of how life is so expensive today. So you are not a millionaire. You're just owning a bond that is worth 1.2 million. So you're not regulating $1 million. You're not getting $1 million or millions every couple of months or weeks or so. So does it mean that you're a millionaire that when you have $1 million rands in your account, or you have inherited $1 million rands or 2 million? For me, it doesn't, because you're not regulating millions or $1 million. It's not coming into your account every couple of months or weeks or so. But you are in a position of having $1 million that can help you take a step to becoming a millionaire. So what is a millionaire? Because we all want to become millionaires. And how can I become a millionaire in this day and age? Things are so expensive. How do I become a millionaire? I was thinking about this just when I got in the car this morning, because every one of us, we have that desire to become a millionaire. So the question came to mind, how do I become a millionaire? If you watch some other previous episodes or videos that I've made, I spoke a lot about things like getting passive income. And I know that it's tough in this day and age to get passive income. You are too busy. If you are a lawyer, you are too busy. If you are a businessman, you are too busy. You have a lot on your hands for you to be able to come up with another business idea or something that you would do on a side. You are too busy. And we look at others that are married as well. People that you are a businessman or a lawyer, or you are working in a corporate world, and you want to be a millionaire, but you can't get to that step to investing or starting another business or putting your car as a taxi or starting another business some way. You can't, because you have a lot going on in your life. You're already taking care of kids, you're already taking care of your wife, you're already taking care of your bond, you're already doing so much. So how do I then become a millionaire? You see, in order for you to become a millionaire, and I'm learning this as well, in order for you to become a millionaire, we need to be able to think and dream outside the box. A friend of mine said that he's on a journey of becoming a millionaire. Why? He says that, no, I'm doing this Uber business whereby I'm delivering food and I'm delivering people around. So in order for me to be able to get to that million, my aim is to be able to take all the money that I'm making from Uber and be able to invest that money. I don't spend it. When I go to work, I take a couple of people going to work. And I wake up very early. And lunchtime, I don't just chow money for lunch, but I go and deliver food from 1 until 2 because I want to become a millionaire. And the money that I make on a weekly basis from that Uber, I would then invest it, so that I can be able to have another set of money or passive income coming from my dividends. And now when those dividends come through, I reinvest those dividends in other assets. For instance, he would invest in ETFs, he would invest in stocks and so forth. He would invest in other assets. That's what he means. And now recently he qualified for a second bond. So he got another house which he's paying bond. So now what he does is that he charges the person who's paying bond enough money so that he can be able to pay off the bond and make an extra 1,000 rand or a couple of $100. So he believes that he's on a journey. So I asked him, so far, how far are you? And he says, no, I don't want to tell you, but I'm already above 250,000 rand. So he's able to regulate 250,000 rand. So he's able to reinvest the money that he makes. So he's regulating 250,000 rand. So he has a business with Uber. He has an extra bond which is renting out. He has a job, and this job takes care of things at home. And these two things he is. That is how you can become a millionaire. You see, so many of us, we are dreaming of becoming millionaires while we are sleeping. So many of us are dreaming of becoming millionaires while we are investing 100 rand, 250. So many of us are dreaming of becoming millionaires while we are thinking of retirement, but this retirement money is taken care by companies like Sanlam, Momentum, and so forth. That's what we're thinking. And that's not what's going to get us to becoming millionaires. Yes, it's going to get us $1 million when we retire, but that million is not regulated. It's there for us to spend. But if we are able to get $1 million rands every 6 months, every 12 months, then we are on a journey of becoming millionaires, because we are regulating $1 million every 12 months or every 6 months or every 3 months. See, that's how you become a millionaire. And today I want to encourage you to, look into these things, these Uber businesses, these Bolt businesses, these delivery businesses. Because if you think about it, when you leave for work in the morning, there is traffic. You could be making money throughout that traffic, taking someone to work. You can be making money in that traffic. And when you come back home, you can be making money coming back home. And that money, you're getting it instantly. It pops into your Uber account or your Bolt account. And next week, you're going to get that money on a Tuesday or Wednesday. See, and you take that money and you reinvest it so that you can be able to get on a journey of regulating $1 million. That's how we become millionaires. We dream and we think outside the box. So whatever you do, however you dream, the kinds of passions that you have, make sure that you are dreaming and you are thinking outside the box, and you want to work hard. Because as soon as you say to yourself, I'm going to work hard for this, you'd find that you would work for maybe a year or two, and next thing you know, you are regulating 1.2 million. You're already making $1 million every 12 months. And you sit down, you think to yourself, oh, wait a minute, now I can actually stop working and stop doing everything that I'm doing, because I'm living off my dividends. I'm living off the money that I'm making every 12 months. That is how we become financially free, and that is how we make millions. We become millionaires.